Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be introducing the timeless classic, rice and coconut laddu, a cherished traditional Indian sweet. Not only is it a delicious treat, but it also boasts remarkable health benefits. What's more, it's entirely gluten-free. With just a handful of simple ingredients, the outcome is pure culinary bliss. In this post, I will guide you through an effortless step-by-step process to create these delectable rice laddus right in the comfort of your own kitchen. So, let's dive in and embark on this delightful culinary journey. Ingredients: rice flour, 500 grams, sugar powder, according to taste, coconut powder, 100 grams, fresh cream, 100 ml, ghee, 50 ml, condensed milk, 3/4 cup, cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon, dry fruits nuts, 150 grams. Here is the step-by-step guide to crafting rice laddu. Begin by heating a pan over low flame and put the rice flour. Stir continuously, roasting the rice flour gently on low heat. Once the rice flour becomes aromatic, add in fresh cream and condensed milk and mix and combine it well. Add sugar powder and mix it well. Once done, add in coconut powder. Mix thoroughly and continue roasting. Add in ghee and ensure everything is well combined. Add cardamom powder, mix thoroughly, and continue cooking on low heat. Add your preferred choice of dry fruits and crushed nuts into the mixture and mix it well. Turn off the heat and transfer the mixture into a bowl and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Grease your hands with ghee. Take a small portion of the laddu mixture and shape it into a laddu. Repeat the process to create laddus from the entire mixture. If you encounter difficulty in forming laddus, add a little ghee or hot milk, then try again. Your delectable rice laddus are now ready to be savored. Enjoy! Thank you friends for being part in crafting this cherished Indian delicacy. It has been a truly enriching experience. These delightful rice laddus embodies not only the flavors but also the heart and soul of Indian sweets. Sharing them with loved ones will undoubtedly be a joyous celebration of culture and tradition. This experience has left an indelible mark, and I look forward to recreating this magic in my kitchen time and again. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Until we meet again, take care and bye for now.